Welcome students. This is the first chapter. This is the third chapter of your geography. Today I am telling about the third chapter. So that is our charging Earth. Okay. First we'll talk about the our charging Earth. In this our charging Earth, we will talk about the lithospheric plates. So you can see the glossary part. Okay. The earth crust consists of several large and small, rigid, irregularly shaped plates, slabs, which carry the contents and those ocean floor. Okay. Which means which is a large, small, rigid, irregular shapes of plates, which carry the some contents, continents, and ocean floor. So you can tell me previous class you know the continents and ocean floor, which is made up of some silicon and magnesium, and ocean floor is made up of some magnesium and iron. These are all the ocean floor and continents. Okay. Lithosphere are the broken into a number of plates. Okay. Lithosphere is a broken into a number of plates known as lithospheric plate. This is the one definition for the both combining definition. Okay. So what do you mean by lithospheric plates and what are the lithospheric plates? Lithosphere is the broken into a number of plates known as lithospheric plates. Okay. In that we will talk about the movement of the plates. The plates move around the very slowly, just a few millimeter each year. Okay, this is because of the movement of the molten magma inside the earth. You know the already molten magma is inside the earth. The molten magma inside the earth moves circularly manner. Okay, it will move. Magma is moved in the circular manner as shown in the activity figure. Okay, you can see the volcano. It same look like molten magma. Okay, you can see the magma chamber is there. You can see the crust, you can see the below it will be mantle. You can see the vent, you can see the lava is coming outside from the okay, and gases and ash in the above. One more is crater. Okay. In that we will show in the activity figure. In this moment we will can some divided into some basic forces which cause them, which act in the interior part of the earth is called. So in that we will movement of the earth we will divide it into two parts, that is endogenic and exogenic. Endo means what? Endo means inside, exo means outside. Okay, that is exo means outside, endo means inside. That is genic means origin. Okay. We will talk about the first. Endogenic means what? Interior of the earth is called as endogenic, that is called endogenic force, and outside of the force, that is work on the surface of the earth, called exogenic forces. Okay, these are all the definition of the endogenic, exogenic. Okay, in that earth movement we will divide it into two types, you know already, endogenic and exogenic. So in that endogenic we will further subdivided into two parts. What it is? Sudden forces and diastrophic forces. Okay, in that sudden forces we will talk about the earthquake, volcano, and landslides. Okay, in that diastrophic forces we learn about the buildings and mountains. Okay, in that exogenic forces, erosional and depositional. These are all the erosional and depositional coming under this river, wind, sea waves, and glaciers. Okay, in that endogenic we will some sudden movements are there like earthquakes, volcano, and landslides. Okay, in that we will talk about the what you mean by earthquake. Okay, earthquake, listen, earthquake is a some vibrations in the lithospheric plates that is caused by earthquake. Once again, some vibrations done in the lithospheric plates that is caused by earthquake. Okay, you can see the volcano is a vent opening in the earth crust through the molten magma, and molten material is suddenly spread out. Okay, see the figure, this is the molten magma, this is the volcano figure. You know already what do you mean by like layers of the earth, crust, mantle and core. Okay. Similarly, lithospheric plates move on the surface of the earth. What do you mean by earthquake means some vibrations done in the lithospheric plates that is caused by the earthquake. Okay. So the place which is movement is starts, that is called focus. The place in the crust where the movement starts called focus. The place on the vibrations travels outward from the epicenter as greatest damage, usually closing to the epicenter, and strength of the earthquake decreases away from the center. Okay, so what do you mean by epicenter means these are the surface above the focus, that is called epicenter. You can see the earth origin, you can see the figure, in the figure you take a plain boundary line is there. In that center, you can above the center you can epicenter is there. These are all the seismic waves that is radiated from the all the direction. You can see the directions, you can see the outward direction, you can see the interior direction. Okay, in that focus we will earth this is the where there the earthquake occurs. In that focus point, this is the part of it will happen the earthquake. Okay, it is the origin of the seismic energy. Okay, this is the origin of the earthquake. Okay, let's talk about some do you know questions. Okay, there are three types of earthquake waves. First one is P waves or longitudinal waves. Okay, S waves or transverse waves, L waves or surface waves. Try to find out the properties of these waves. NC fluid media. Okay, let's one more time revise it. Okay, in this charging our earth, changing earth, we will know the lithospheric plates. Lithospheric plates is a small rigid irregular shapes and plates which carry the continents and ocean floor. In that moment of the earth, we will divide it into endogenic force and exogenic force. Endogenic means interior of the earth is called as endogenic. Exterior means surface of the above earth is called as exogenic forces. Okay, in this endogenic we will talk about the subdivided into two parts. Okay, some sudden forces, some diastrophic forces, earthquake, volcano and landslides. In the diastrophic, building and mountains. In the exogenic, erosional and depositional. In that contents are the rivers, wind, sea waves and glaciers. In the sudden forces, we will endogenic, we will talk about the earthquake. What do you mean by earthquake? Earthquake means the vibrations is done by the lithospheric plates. It is caused by the earthquake. Okay. What do you mean by focus? These are the three definitions are there in this line. Okay, the place crust where the movement starts called focus. The place on the surface above the surface above of the focus is called as epicenter. You know the already this is the origin of the earth. You can study once all the points. You got the idea about this chapter. Okay, next further will continuation will next class. Okay, bye.